in memory of you, hoping someday, somehow, my love will shine through. I close my eyes, lost in the glow. There are so many things I want you to know. This candle says I love you. This candle says I miss you. This candle is saying I remember you. When I'm holding you toward heaven, it feels like you are near. If you're looking down tonight, see this candle burning bright, says I'm wishing you were here. In the glow of this candle, I can almost see your smile, and it carries me away
Come hold it with me.
for a little while to another time,
Careful. Hold it below the cup thing. There you go.
another
Oh, careful. Don't
place
let the flame go out.
when all it took to light up my world was your beautiful face.
Huh?
This candle says I love you. This candle says I miss you. This candle is saying I remember you. When I'm holding you toward heaven, it feels like you are near. If you're looking down tonight, see this candle burning bright, says I'm wishing you were here. Someday, some way, I'll see you again. I'll hold you in my heart until then.
You don't have to hold it up so high. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Blow it out,
I'll tell you
Eva.
what,
Blow it out.
I don't know about all of you, but I'm about out of tears. I know
It'll
we
burn out. That was
celebrated
a long song.
fallen
Good job.
artists, we've celebrated fallen soldiers, we've celebrated even some fallen firefighters. I think after every memorial service I've ever been to, usually there's a party afterwards. Is anybody ready to party? I think we're gonna have a big party now. What do you got for us, Dan? Come on, I think they're ready.